here's that example problem I was talking about. Now, we want to break this down so we really understand it, okay? So here it says there are 45 males and 60 females. So 45 women, 45 men, 60 women in a subway car. The subway car travels 2.5 miles in 5 minutes. So there's basically like two different problems here. First of all, they tell us to find the ratio of males to females. We could ignore that second sentence, okay, in that case. We're just going to be dealing with there are 45 males and 60 females in a subway car. We're doing this. So find the ratio of males to females, okay? Well, here, males to females, when they say males to females, that first thing is going to be in the numerator. Second thing is going to be in the denominator. If you're writing this like a traditional fraction, remember ratios are like division, they're like fractions, okay? So males to females, males over females, 45 to 60. Now that ratio is actually 3 to 4. Why is it 3 to 4? Simple, okay? They simplified it. For every 3 males, there's 4 females. We have 45 over 60. We take their greatest common factor, which in this case is 15. 45 divided by 15 is 3. 60 divided by 15 is 4. So we just want to simplify our fractions. If you can't think of the greatest common factor, remember, see if these two numbers are divisible by 2, 3, 5, or 7. That should be old hat for you. Use a calculator. We could have done 45 divided by 5 is 9. Okay, then 60 divided by 5 would be 12. Okay, 9 over 12, they're both divisible by 3. You get 3 over 4. That should be old stuff, okay? So the ratio of males to females is 3 to 4. Final answer for this one, okay? Now, subway car travels 2.5 miles in 5 minutes. They want us to find the speed of the subway car. Well, when they say find the speed, they really want the unit rate, okay? 2.5 miles in 5 minutes. We have 2.5 miles over 5 minutes, okay? Now remember, we want this bottom number to be 1, okay? And a unit rate, the denominator is going to be 1. So we want to turn 5 minutes into 1 minute. To do that, we divide 5 by 5 and we get 1 minute, right? Or if dividing 5 by 5, we have to divide the top by 5 too. Okay? 2.5 divided by 5 is going to give us 0.5. So if the car is going 2.5 miles in 5 minutes, it's going 0.5 or half a mile per minute. Okay? 2.5 miles for every 5 minutes means 0.5 miles every minute. Okay? So this is really two problems in one, but it illustrates how you take information from text, turn it into a ratio that can then be simplified, okay? It's all about getting things in simplest form. If we have 45 males for every 60 females, that means we have 3 males for every 4 females, okay? If we go 2.5 miles in 5 minutes, that means we go 0.5 miles in 1 minute. All right, guys. There's only going to be a few problems on this first class work, so please look at this, give it a shot. If you're having trouble, let me know during our office hours, okay? I could even set up a quick one-on-one video conference to walk you through it, okay? I'll be on my office hour at 11 o'clock today. If you don't catch me today, we can do it tomorrow. It's not a big deal. If you got to hold off on these problems and turn them in, tomorrow late, that's all right because we're not taking points off, all right, for stuff turned in late. So if you need help, Catch me on the office hours, all right? Good luck, guys.